All right. So this had water in the lower unit, the water pump base seal is bad. You can see it right there where it's just chewed up a little bit. Got a new impeller. That one looks like it's about 2 years old, and resealed it, so it's got fresh fluids, and his fuel ball wasn't working right. That's don't know where it came from, but you could tell it's not round anymore, so we replaced it so it run.